Okay, so how to create circle picture in Word. So click on Insert Picture, select picture what you would like to add. So here we are. Click on the picture, click on Format, select Option, and here we are. So it's, you can see, completed. Now go to Format, click on Size. You can change size here, look aspect ratio, and change, for example, height and width. So make it round, for example. Okay, let's click on OK. Here we can see round picture. Right click, format. Here we can add or remove shadow like this, and do other changes. For example, we can remove lines, borders, or add them. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.